In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Zendesk API token. This comprehensive 2024 guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can successfully obtain your API token with ease. So, let's get started. First, head to the Zendesk Admin Center. This is your main hub for accessing all the essential features and settings needed for our task today. Once you're in the Admin Center, your next move is to find and click on the Apps and Integrations section. This is where all the magic happens. It's the home for all your app-related needs, including managing integrations, which is precisely what we need for generating an API token. Next, navigate towards the Conversations API. This particular API is crucial when working with different messaging features in Zendesk. Clicking on Conversations API opens up a host of possibilities, and it's right here that we begin the steps to create your API token. Our journey continues with creating the API. Select the option to create API here. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Choosing a recognizable name is a good practice. It will help you easily identify the API if you ever need to refer back to it in the future. Once you've named your API, you'll have an option to proceed, indicated with a Next button. Click it, and we can move on to the key components. You'll now see several sections coming up: App ID, Key ID, and Secret Key. These are essential credentials for your API token, and understanding their importance is key. First, find the App ID and give it a click. The App ID is a unique identifier for your application, allowing Zendesk to manage and track your apps separately from others. Next, click on the Key ID. This is similarly important and is another unique identifier, this time specifically for your API key. These are essential for securely identifying and managing your API requests. Following this, navigate to the Secret Key section. This key is what keeps your interactions secure and private, and it's critical to keep it confidential. Always treat it as sensitive information. After noting these details, you'll want to use the final piece of the puzzle, the copy function. Clicking copy for the secret key is an efficient way to ensure you have this important information handy for wherever you need to input it next. Finally, click Next to finish up this process. Congratulations, you have now successfully gotten your Zendesk API token. Remember, keep your API information secure and only share it with trusted parties. Thanks for following along today, and I hope you found this Zendesk API token guide useful. If you have any questions, feel free to check out additional resources or leave a comment below. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.